Hi everyone. So in this video, I am going to discuss about UTM builder and how we can use UTM parameter with our landing pages or with our ads in every platform. So let's see. So for that, here I have an example. So if you see, this is our meta ads manager. So here also we can add the UTM parameter. So if I scroll down here, we have a UTM source and UTM parameter URL parameters option. Yes, we can use this, but as per my experience, I saw that we face a lot of issues if we use this. For example, if I open Google Analytics 4, so here you will see that is showing the campaign name, placement, ad set like this. So if I go back and here again, so here you will see that ad set name and if I go back like UTM campaign name, everything is directly showing like here. So yes, because it's automatically track the UTM, pass the UTM. So sometimes it make issues like this one. So how we can fix it? So for that we will use UTM builder. Like if you just search UTM, UTM generator. Here we have a lot of website that we can take the help of that website, but I will recommend that Google Analytics demos and tools are like the first one. So if I click on campaign builder, so here we will see it will open a windows like this one, campaign URL builder. So by using these tools we can use it easily and we can generate the URL easily. So for example, here we have a landing pages URL like test.register. So this is our landing pages URL, right? So if I copy and here in website URL, we just paste the landing pages URL. So in your case, so definitely landing page URL will be different. So campaign source here, for example, here we will use Facebook because this is a Facebook ads campaign, and you can campaign medium, you can see it like paid, social, or something like that, and anything. And campaign name, so here if you see how our campaign name is VACSS or V4 lead. So if I click on here, this is the landing pages, right? Sorry, campaign name, right? So just copy this and paste here. So this is our campaign name. And campaign content, like if I go back here, we have multiple campaign content. So for example, this is dynamic text image November, this one copy. So if I just copy this and paste it on the campaign content. So that's the thing. This is a simple. Yes, you can use the campaign term or something, but this is not mandatory. So if I now scroll down here, we have a URL, like generated URL. Just copy this and paste it to our landing pages option, like website URL option. So just paste it here and that's it. It's very simple, but it's accurate, then automatic, and it will definitely help our accuracy. Same thing as like Google and ads. So here if you see, as you know that we have a final URL option. So we will paste the like copy this URL and generate again like this one, but for this case our campaign source is Google. So let's select Google and campaign medium is CPC, like PPC CPC campaign name. So here you will give the campaign name like we have brand, ad group brand or something like that. So our campaign name will be brand, for example, brand campaign, and content. So anywhere like video campaign, but images or everything like images campaign. So that's the thing. So if you see here we have a generated URL. Just copy this and paste it, replace the URL. That's the thing, and we can easily do it on instead of the automatic option. So it will fix this type of issues. Like if you see here, campaign name, placement, etc. It fixed this type of issues. So that's it. So if you face any type of issues like conversion tracking, server side tracking, Google Ads audit optimization, so don't forget to contact me. Thank you.